Hi everyone, welcome to KRWBIN. Today we're showcasing some of our arrivals, our new arrivals for spring and summer. Here we have the off-the-shoulder Smock long sleeve blouse, and it comes in sizes small to 2X. The model is wearing an extra large, and you can see it is very roomy. Next up, we have our one shoulder button long sleeve top. It comes in sizes small and extra large, and it actually has the buttons going down both of the sleeves. It is also very stretchy, it's very cottony, and the model is wearing an extra large. You can go a size smaller if you don't have a fupa, a belly, or if you have bigger breasts, you can also go smaller or larger in this particular shirt. But yes, you can definitely wear it off one shoulder to the left or the other shoulder to your right. Next up, we have the off-the-shoulder pink puff sleeve ruffle top. It is also very stretchy. This is a thicker quality material. It is still that stretchy stretch. The model is wearing an extra large, and the sleeves are also stretchy in all of the off-the-shoulder tops that we've debuted. And as you can see, you have plenty of room. You can wear it up or down. The ruffles are on the top and the bottom of this blouse, and you are welcome to position it however you feel more comfortable. Next up, we have our cold shoulder ruffle polka dot blouse, and it comes in sizes small to extra large. The model is wearing an extra large. It is also very stretchy. The sleeves are more of a 3/4 sleeve. It does not come all the way down to your wrist, but it also makes for a very comfortable feel when you have a lot of things that you need to carry in your hands. So this is also very comfortable, very stretchy, and it's a little more lightweight than the previous shown blouse, but you can definitely style it with your jeans. You can style it with your skirts or anything that feels more comfortable for you in the spring and the summer. Here we have one of our KRWBIN t-shirts, and this is a girl's microphone. This is cotton, 100% cotton. It is lightweight cotton, and the model is wearing an extra large. This comes in sizes small to 2X, and we're also debuting our leopard patchwork distressed jeans.